Thermador and Miele are two of the best wall oven brands. Now that they're priced about the same, the real question is which one fits how you cook. In this video, we'll break down 7 real differences that matter. Stay to the end for the one feature everyone overlooks. Miele does the thinking for you. You don't scroll through endless menus or guess cooking times. Just tap the food, choose how you want it cooked, and then the oven sets itself. It's fast, intuitive, and includes over 100 guided recipes built into the oven. Thermador controls are more traditional. Use knobs on the professional model or a basic touchscreen on the Masterpiece series. Works fine. You're setting temperatures and timers manually. If you want smart guided cooking, Miele wins this one easily. Miele is the only brand with built-in steam assist in their regular wall ovens. They call it Moisture Plus, and it adds precise bursts of steam during baking or roasting to keep food moist inside or crisp on the outside. You can set exactly when the steam kicks in or let the oven handle it automatically. Once again, with the M touch controls, all you have to do is press a button. You want to bake bread using steam? Just hit one of the 17 different options. Thermador doesn't offer steam assist in any of their regular ovens. You'll need a separate steam oven, which we'll talk about later. But if you're looking for better texture, the ability to bake bread, Miele is in a league of its own. Both ovens use convection fans to circulate heat for even cooking. Miele takes it further. The ovens use twin dual convection fans, which means faster preheating, more even airflow, and tighter temperature control over every rack. That matters if you're baking on multiple levels or cooking something delicate like pastries or fish. Thermador uses a single convection system. It's solid and reliable, but not as precise. If you're cooking dinner, it'll do the job. Thermador gives you more choices. Thermador offers 2 distinct styles, the MasterChef series for modern kitchens and the professional series with bold handles and oversized knobs. But the real standout is their side swing option. On select models, instead of lifting a heavy roast or turkey over a hot oven door, you open it like a fridge, which is much safer and a little bit easier. Miele, on the other hand, keeps a clean, minimalist design across all models. Looks great in flush cabinetry, but you won't find swing doors of multiple style options. Layout, ergometrics, or design variety matters, Thermador does give you more options to make that work. For steam ovens, Miele gives you the most complete steam lineup. Pure steam and combi steam in 24 and 30-inch sizes, with your choice of connecting to a water line or filling a built-in tank by hand. What really stands out is how simple it is to use. Just pick the food, touch the button, and the oven figures out time and temperature. There's no learning curve, unlike most other brands. Thermador, on the other hand, is the only brand with a full-size 30-inch steam wall oven. You can actually fit a full turkey inside, something you can't do in any other steam oven. So it depends on what you care about. Thermador gives you more space, but Miele makes it much easier to use. Thermador runs one of the most consistent rebate programs in the industry. 1, 2 free. Buy this wall oven and a cooktop, and you get a free dishwasher. Add a built-in refrigerator, they'll throw in a free hood as well. Now, the pricing on these free items is a little inflated. That $13.99 dishwasher usually sells closer to $8.99, but it's still a good deal, especially if you're buying the full package. Miele occasionally runs a 15% off promotion, which can save you more, but it's sporadic, maybe once a year, and there's no guarantee it'll happen again. If you're looking for predictable savings and package value, Thermador has the edge. Service. No matter which oven you choose, you'll need service eventually. It's not a matter of if, just when. And it's the one feature most people forget to ask about. So which brand has better service? Depends entirely on where you live. We service what we sell across Greater Boston, from Boston to Framingham and Nantucket. But outside our area, you want to check reviews before you buy. Don't assume service will be there when you need it. If you want better cooking performance, steam assist, and an oven that practically cooks for you, Miele is the better choice. If you're buying a full kitchen and want more design options and better rebates, Thermador makes better sense. You get solid performance, bigger steam oven, real savings in a package deal. The right choice depends on how you cook, how much you want from your oven, and who's going to service it when things go wrong. If you think this video helps you, hit like or subscribe. It tells us to keep making honest reviews, and yes, it'll also make my mom proud. If you're looking to see how these compare to other wall ovens, click this video, and thanks for watching.